Thank you for finishing your assignments. I will be providing feedback on the discussion forums periodically. Okay, so I now want to talk about how Python knows about this thing called the turtle. Well, inside the Python standard library, there is this file called turtle. Turtle with a lowercase t. And inside that file is something new. And that something new is called a class. A class turtle with an uppercase t. Now, this is a little different than what we've seen thus far. What we've done thus far is some sort of a file, like a web browser, dot some sort of a function, like open. But we haven't seen this thing called a class, which begs the question, what is a class? For now, you can think of a class as a neatly packaged box that puts things together really well. And it allows us to write code like turtle.turtle with these strange looking brackets as if we were calling a function. In fact, when we do run this piece of code, we are in fact calling a function called init, which is defined inside the class turtle. Init stands for initialize, and what it does is it creates space in memory for a new instance or a new object of the class turtle. This instance we called Brad. Brad can now access all of the rest of the methods that are inside class turtle, like forward and right. Forward makes Brad turn forward, and right makes Brad turn to the right. Don't take my word for it. Let's look for them in the documentation.